The following video contains activities that could cause long-term harm. I do not advise you to try these yourself without proper precautions. I do not take any responsibility for anything that happens to you or your cube. Try at your own risk. Hey guys, it's ProXCuber, and today's video is about corner core magnets in an RS3M 2020. So first of all, I kind of messed up. So I forgot that you needed a ball core so that the corners will go over smoothly. So I actually didn't do that first, and then I had to sand down the core a lot with a Dremel, but now it's fine. But in the future I would make it a ball core, which will be much easier. And what I did is I just made it with some ABS plastic on the corner stocks, putting magnets down. I don't know the exact magnets, although I think they are 4x1 N35s or N50s. They're just the ones that came in the Worm 2020. So yeah, I know the RS3M is already a very stable cube, so putting corner core magnets wouldn't really help it that much because it is, you know, pretty stable already. But so I thought. It's actually much better now because you can set the cube on looser tensions and have way better corner cutting now that you have corner core magnets. The corner core magnets create a nice tactile click to it. You can't really feel it that much, but you can feel it a lot. I took out the extra magnets that I ordered from the cubicle from the RS3M because it was just way too strong when I put the corner core magnets. This process overall only took like maybe 30 minutes because I had to sand down everything so much. But if I didn't, then it would be like way faster. So yeah, I'm planning on putting this in like so many different cubes now. Although I think edge core magnets are way better, but that's just my thinking. I think this makes it much more stable, and edge core magnets make it more bumpy and it clicks into place better. So this is lighter than edge core magnets, and I think this one makes it way more stable. It's a really good process to do. I recommend trying it out. If you guys have any questions about it, just leave it down below. If you guys would like me to do a tutorial on it, I could do that eventually, but yeah, stay tuned for my comparison. Bye.